Hands down, one of the most important things that you can do when you're rigging a trolling motor on your boat is make sure you have fuse protection. This little guy right here is the MKR-27, and this is actually going to protect you from any type of overcurrent or short circuit situation and make sure that your trolling motor is rigged safely on your boat. The MKR-27 is a 60 amp resettable circuit breaker that's waterproof and ignition protected. It's perfect for any trolling motor that runs 12, 24, 36, or 48 volts. And if you ever need to cut power to your motor, you can also manually break the MKR-27 to make sure that you have safe, disconnected power from your trolling motor. When you actually open the package, you'll find your circuit breaker along with your installation instructions. Included are the nuts to secure your battery side and your load side. The studs and nuts are both a 1/4 28 thread pitch if you need to replace them for any reason, and the circuit breaker itself is 1.9 inches wide and 2.91 inches tall. The diameter of the mounting holes is 0.26 inches, which will be good to know as the mounting screws or bolts to hold the breaker in place are not included with the breaker. To trip the breaker, simply press the trip button, and to reset it, just slide the reset lever back into place. The MKR-27 is a great choice for most trolling motor applications and trolling motor rigging applications, and one thing about it is that it's great for Quest specifically. So our Quest motors, obviously built to high tolerances, so is our MKR-27 circuit breaker. So this trips at exactly 60 amps, so it's not a couple amps lower, a couple amps higher. You know that you're tripping at exactly the right amperage to make sure that you're having safe connected power for your Quest trolling motor. To learn more about the MKR-27 circuit breaker and to get one for yourself, be sure to visit our website over at www.minnkotamotors.com.